What's up, guys? It's Adam Della here with another pen review for Truphae. I'm here to talk about something really sad. I was reminded over the holidays that we are all, in fact, human. I'm reminded of this because, sadly, none of the humans in my family got the memo. I wrote a vaguely worded letter on very nice letterhead, and I explained that part of being human is having the Visconti Homo sapiens. It's only logical that every human has the Homo sapiens because it is named after us. It's kind of like if someone dedicated a hospital wing to you and you never visited that hospital wing. That's kind of a slight to the people that decided to name, in this case, the pen after you, the human. I'm very excited to talk about this pen. It is probably my favorite Visconti pen. I've had a few now, and this one just sings. I have the Homo sapiens Evolutions, which you can see has stainless steel etched. I also have some uninked pens, so that Evolutions was the one I have personally, but here is a Bronze Age, and it says Homo sapiens instead of HS on the band there. And I wanted to pull this out, that way I can show you the vacuum filling mechanism. Dip that down in your ink. Get a little shot of that nib action there. I wouldn't really post this pen, but that's what it looks like posted. Now, this pen is made from volcanic rock. It's very light and it's very absorbent, which, is nice for if you're writing for a long time and your hands begin to sweat. It's gonna really just stay comfortable as it absorbs that sweat from your hand in a really forgiving way. Enough about the pen. I'm going to do a little drawing sample for you just so you can see how it flows. Hopefully you can see that I've been evolving. I have been working on my grammar. I spent a lot of time practicing grammar this holiday. I told my family I was going to be late because I did need to get better for the new year to be able to make good content with reliable grammar so that you, the YouTube audience, knows that I'm putting everything I have into giving you the best experience possible and that there's nobody here who can give you better information on fountain pens than the guy Adam Della. And to do that, I need to have good grammar. So thank you for sticking with me. Again, that was the Visconti Homo sapiens, personal grail pen of mine. I was very ecstatic when I got it. Got a whole rush of dopamine. But enjoy those dopamine rushes. Keep on buying those pens. And as I say, a penman salute to you.